Just got to the Sakulchai Place Hotel. This is our next place in Chiang Mai. This will be my hotel room for the foreseeable future. I wish there was a microwave, but we'll figure it out. Maybe they can bring one to my room like some places do around the world. So we'll see. Oh, here's the pool. Okay, I'm about to, of course, go in there. I got a non-smoking room, so I'm assuming that's why this is a window and not a balcony. I'm thinking about possibly changing, filling it out, and then the smoking areas down there by the guard post. So that's where I'll be smoking for now. I'll show you the bathroom. So this is the TV. Give you this. See that? Interesting. A little mat outside the bathroom. Because this is the wet bath. So it's gonna get wet up in here. Water heater. I put my caddy already. Here, there's a little rod there. Hello. So I'm gonna try and see if I can fit my big A luggage. Big bodies in here. I will be getting rid of that one. Well, yeah, get rid of this. I'll be replacing it with something I'll buy from here. Maybe I'll buy it from Shopee or Lazada, who knows. And if they sponsor me, then definitely. So pretty much back in like the first room I had on the fifth floor here. That's the pool. The sun looks like it's playing a little hide and seek with the clouds today, but it's still hot enough to go swimming, I know. Man, it's cracked. I just dumped it in the shower. It was full of water and a mosquito, and then I took the bidet and sprayed it to get rid of the damn mosquito. And then this is cracked. I don't think the other fridge in the first room they gave me was cracked. The drawers are cracked. But did I really test it? I don't recall. And what's that? Alright, so I demanded another room change because I could hear fucking everything. And they said I would still be able to hear the planes, the animals at 5 a.m. hooting and fucking hollering. Literally. They ain't got no fucking sense. Because it's rainy season, apparently. And so I just moved the beds together myself. Because they didn't do that for me. I had to carry all my shit to this room because they didn't even offer for help to help me to switch my room this time. And I was speaking to the manager and anyway, I moved the beds and now I'm checking my toes because now I just found a nail, which isn't mine, probably a toenail, and then an ant. A dead ant's corpse. And I wasn't sure if that was like to be a concern, if that's like droppings or something and not some other dead animal. Bug. So my review for this place, Sakulchai, it's a scam. Quiet rooms, but for what? They ain't really quiet if every fucking room can hear this loud ass airport planes. every fucking periodically. It ain't that popular of an airport, thank God. But still, they need to mention how fucking close they are on the website, on Agoda, on Booking. But they lying to y'all. That's why it's a deal. It ain't a steal, but it's a deal. So I would never refer anyone to this place because this place is ridiculous. Like, nobody used their brains around here. Nobody has yet to offer me no free breakfast to accommodate for all these fucking inconveniences and move in my room 3 fucking times. So, this place right here, yeah, don't fucking go here. So, from now on, I will only be speaking to the manager because the girl at the front desk get on my fucking nerves. Because when you can only do so much at your level, it comes a responsible fucking educated response to take it above you and let your manager fucking handle shit. You gonna tell me that housekeeping going home today? This is what the fuck they did. Playing in my fucking face. Clearly I wanted the fucking beds together. Y'all should have fucking communicated that to housekeeping to begin with because y'all know what the fuck verm I asked for. I asked for a fucking queen bed. So is everyone fucking incompetent? What's good? So, like, this is really ridiculous. Unacceptable. Fucking laughable. It's a sleepover with my fucking self. Like, what the fuck is this? I'm a grown-ass woman. So why would your housekeeping sit here and do this? And the bed's still fucking moving. And it's fucking dirty. Housekeeping just came in and fixed my bed for me. So now he getting me my extra pillows I asked for. Now this is what I was expecting. So of course I'm going to tip him. I don't know how much.